Hi everyone, it's the Engineer Gamer, and as an homage to the recent crash of the Cassini Spacecraft into Saturn, I thought what better of a game to play than Universe Sandbox, which is essentially a simulation of the whole universe. And it's got, so this right here just loads up as the solar system that we live in. So it's got, the Sun, and Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, blah blah blah. There's a couple simulations that are in here that I want to look at because, like I said, the recent crash of Cassini, they have one in here that shows it. So let's click it and then pause it quickly so that I can slow down the time for you. Alright, so here we go. There's Saturn right here in the middle. Here's the Cassini Spacecraft right here. I'm going to center myself on that. I'll slow down time a little bit so that we can actually watch it. Let's zoom in on Cassini. So here we are. Okay. I'm gonna have to speed up a little bit. A little more. And there you go. So NASA actually intentionally crashed Cassini into Saturn because its mission was done, which was taking pictures of the planet and getting data, and taking pictures of the rings and all sorts of neat and interesting stuff. There's a couple of other simulations in here that are pretty cool, which are recently added to with the recent solar eclipse. Let's see if we can just take a look at this. So we got Earth here. There we go, now I'm on the surface. So I'm looking from the surface of the Earth. Oh, there we go. Let's slow this down a little bit. That was too slow. Let's pause it right. Let's pause it right now. Make it off the surface here. Oh yeah. There we go. You can see it as it's making its way across North America. Very cool. Alright. There's another one here. I want to see what that is too. Let's pause it. Let's see. Let's slow it down. Let's see. Not sure about this one. But anyway, there's a bunch more that are made by different people, just tons of them. Like this one here, the New Horizons. When New Horizons sped past Pluto and took its pictures of it. So let me slow this down a little bit, and then let's just go along with it while it does its thing. Oh, now it's going a little too fast. Slow it down a little bit. There we go. That's good. Look at that. And that's where it took its pictures, right there. And then, because it's on a hyperbolic orbit, it just went right on by. Forever. Drifting through space. I saw an article recently that New Horizons is going to be going to an asteroid whose name I don't remember, but I think it said 2018? 2018 it'll be there, and get some more pictures for NASA. I think it'll be about 2,000 miles away from it, which was actually closer than it was for the Pluto flyby, so it'll be another flyby because it's on a hyperbolic orbit, but yeah, well, you can, there's so many neat things here. Let's see. Yeah, let's just pull up the solar system. Great part of this game is the music. It's just so peaceful and relaxing. So you can make your own simulations, or you can open the existing simulations and change different things. Let me slow this down a little bit so that it's not going too fast. But so like I can right click on Earth, and I can pull up all these different things. So these orbital elements, I can change. So the eccentricity is 0.02. Now 0.00 being a perfect circle, and 1 being a parabolic orbit, which would make it which would send it off somewhere into space. So I can, if I want, I can go 0, and now see it's a perfect circle, or I can go make it more elliptical by changing the eccentricity. And then there's all these other things, the inclination. the argument of periapse, right ascension, mean anomaly, orbital period. And then you can also change like the mass if you wanted to. So you can make it be the weight of the moon if you want, or the mass of the moon. Now let's see. Let me reload this simulation. Something cool that I like to do is get the sun and just see what happens when it explodes. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to, it's already clicked, so let's explode it. Okay, now let's set down a little bit so that we can actually see. There we go. Oh, I didn't click it. So now it's gonna go supernova. Now with planets, we'll just kind of drift off in whatever direction they were going at the time. So let's see. Let's see what else that we can find here. Some other cool simulations. What do we got? What do we have? Anything? Let's go to the historical and see if we can get anything neat. Ooh, Halley's Comet. That's a cool one. So let's see. Oh, here it is. So it's got an eccentricity of 0.97, so it's just barely in orbit of the sun at this point. But let's see. So we're on it. Let me slow down time a little bit. It's a little too slow, but just zoom in a little bit. Just going on around. And off it goes for another 75, 80 years? I don't remember. Something like that. But yeah. What else we got here? Core physics. Earth at 100,000 degrees C. Celsius. Zoom in a little bit. Right click it. getting more massive. Let's do a new simulation. Let's just see what we can do. Alright, so now we have nothing right now. Let's put in one sun right here. And then let's add an Earth. Where's Earth? Whoops. Okay. That was a mistake. Put in more than one. Alright. Sun. See, this song too. I like this one a lot. It's so peaceful. So now it's orbiting, and I can change the semi-major. I'm going to change the semi-major axis to 1 astronomical unit, since that's what the Earth is, and 0.02. Alright, and there we go. So now we have a realistic Earth going around the Sun, just like it does in actuality. Let's see. If I were to change this eccentricity to 0.94, let me just see here. I'm gonna try and make Earth catapult a slingshot around the Sun. So let me speed up time a little bit. Come on. Come on back now. Whoop, too fast. Whoop! Oh, it did. Oh. Good. Alright, well anyway. Thanks for joining me for the Universe Sandbox. And as for Cassini, thanks for all your service, and keep up the good work, NASA, and do some great science and engineering. And I will see you guys next time.